Hello guys, today we're going to look into the new features that we are getting in ES 2021. So there are mainly 5 features that got included in ES6 latest version. So the first one is replace all, and second one is Promise.any with an aggregated error message and logical assignment operator, then the numeric literal, then weekday and finalizer. So let's see one by one, starting with replace all. So this replace all will be used to replace all occurrence of a particular string from another string or sentence, you can say. So let's take the example. So here you can see I have a string myStr and it is saying JavaScript has some core features and JavaScript makes developer life easy. So here I am trying to do replace. We are doing replace JavaScript with EX21 and see the output, and it will basically return you the output in a new variable. It will not change the original value. The original value will be intact. So let's see how this occurs. Here you can see ES21. Here it was JavaScript and it got changed to ES21. That is good, but the second one has not been changed. So that is one thing that replace all will help us to do. Obviously using regex we can do, but in this case no need to use the regular expression. You can see it's getting replaced. Also it supports feature of regex. You can pass one regex. Say in this case I have the JavaScript and this JavaScript is in different case. So I'll pass one regular expression here and saying this is case insensitive and search global search, and I'll pass this regex here into this replace all function. Let's see how this works. So it's been replaced in both the places. So this is very useful in such a simplistic changes. The next one is Promise.any. So this will be useful when you think that you have multiple promises and you want any of the promise to return the value and that's it. You do not bother about the other promises. In this case you will be using Promise.any. Let me show you an example. So here I have 3 promises, 1, 2 and 3. First promise is getting rejected. Second promise will be resolved in 100 ms, which will send quick as the response, and third promise will be resolved after 500 ms. And here I am using Promise.any. So this is basically the array of the promises, and here I'm using Promise.any to resolve all the promises all together, and then it returns the value. Basically what I said, it will be showing the first resolve, this one, and this one will not be called. Let me show you. You can see the output is quick. So this one is being resolved, so we do not bother to look into the value of this. If we make it 600 ms, so in that case this will be the output. Let's see. You can see this is the output. Okay, let's go to the second example when we will be having all the rejection. So all the promises now getting rejected. Now we will be able to see the aggregated error. You can see aggregate error, all promises were rejected. Right, this is the use of the Promise.any.